Hello and welcome to Andover Norton. This motorcycle is Jake, our 3-piston Commando. It was effectively an extension of what Norman Hyde was working with a Triumph back in the 70s. It was sort of shelved, and then the crank was decided to be used into a Commando and resulted in this engine being built for experimental purposes. The bike was spotted in 1980 by the company owner Joe, who then subsequently through the years found out more about it, and then it was rebuilt by Richard Negus. The bike does actually run, and it has been used as a motorcycle for an editorial feature in one of the classic motorcycles. I believe it was in one of the magazines back in 2012 or 2013 where they'd done a test on it. The third balancer piston in the centre, it actually does work. We've had the bike running here at Andover Norton, and some of you may have seen it run on our open days. It does away with the ice elastics, and it is very, very smooth. However, one of the problems is that the added weight reduces the RPM you get from the engine. You get no more performance from this either, so it was a solution to a problem, but it was an expensive one at that. Obviously it needed more machining and more design work to put it into production. The piston in the centre was also going to be further developed, according to Bob Rowley, to be used as an oil pump, which would sort of make sense, and no doubt had it been progressed would have most probably worked very well. But this is Jake. It is a bike that we do intend to put back on the road and get it registered and use it and see how we get on in the future with it. Thank you very much.